I'm saying shout out to her. I don't gotta say her name, but
she still getting shout outs?
Yeah, she still gets shit. It's love, baby.
Oh, you gotta see my shout out.
Love is crazy, man.
My shout out's like, crazy. Yeah, shout out to her. I hope she gets hit by a bus.
Yeah, but that's how it started, man. The first joint we get into, you know what I'm saying, Work It Out. That's the record I wrote, and then from there, it just transpired into something bigger. You know what I'm saying? So it's almost done. It should be out this April, around my birthday weekend, April 13th. So, you know what I'm saying, Reflection, independently to be available on iTunes. Cop it, man. You know what I'm saying?
So, I mean, judging from the name of the album, Reflection.
Yeah, I wanted to get into it, but we're going to save it. Because I think there's a lot of deep rooted
It's
stuff
deep.
in
It's
like
deep.
I think there's something underneath the surface there. So we're gonna rock a joint right quick, and then we're gonna come back.
I want a fast shout out to everybody on the Ustream right now. They showing a lot of love.
Yeah, I mean, shout out to everybody there on the Ustream.
So you can see the breakup he went through and how you ladies commend that. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
How can you come and put that broken heart back together?
Yeah,
Good for